Let's go, guys. Come on, back out. The story of the Washington County Youth Squirt hockey team began in September of 2021. For the returning second-year 10U skaters, this would be an opportunity for them to continue their development in skills they had learned the year prior, as well as learn new skills this season. As for the first year 10U skaters moving up from mites, they would have their own challenges to face. They would learn a new set of rules as well as develop a brand new set of skill sets. The players, through countless hours of hard work and dedication, weekly practices, team practices, skill practices, dry land, shooting room, would eventually begin to mesh as a team. And as the season progressed and the team began to strengthen, so too did the individuals. Their character was building both on and off the ice. Each player, in their own unique way, showed pride in themselves and in their team. Their understanding of the game consistently improved every single week, as their drive for good sportsmanship and competitive play never lessened. The team's head coach, Nick Wolf, or as some would refer to as Nick the Nomadic Wild Dog Wolf, was eager to begin developing his new team. The Wolf's expectations were high for his players. He expected great sportsmanship and fierce competitiveness. Before each and every game, every player had to know and recite his three expectations. Know your job, do your job. Win races, win battles. And create odd man situations. The locker room cadence that was chanted before each and every game. Hard work, dedication, never quit. These are the concepts that Nick Wolf brought to his players and will stay with them for the rest of their lives. Throughout the season, the team would endure through 18 team practices, where each week they would work on new skills, new concepts, and positioning. Seven months and 22 skills practices, they would focus on skating, stick handling, puck protection, players and their families endured through 39 games throughout the season. Their determination and dedication to the game brought them all the way to the 2022 Wisconsin State Playoffs. Throughout the entire season, the team would be faced with competitive opponents. Sometimes they were triumphant, and other times experienced difficult losses that ultimately ended in character-building experiences. Each and every player had remarkable achievements throughout the season. A few set the benchmark offensively, defensively, and in the net. After 39 games, the team would have 16 victories, 20 losses, and 3 ties. The team shot 672 shots on their opponent's nets. They placed 213 points total, 83 assists, and 130 goals. Our goalies had a combined 501 saves with a remarkable 80.7 save average.
Going to state and being able to travel and play together. I think we had a great season, and I look forward to continuing to work and grow next. But this is our new satisfaction. Cheap thrills, cheap tricks. It seems like the way I live.
You learned a lot. You get a great season. You get great purpose. Thank you for our
My favorite part of the season was some snapping 22 from Sheboygan to score any goals.
This year we improved so much. Making it to state was awesome. On our state was a very fun trip. Thanks to my coaches and team.
But this is our new satisfaction. Cheap thrills, cheap tricks. It seems like the way I live. Said I should be a big
It was so good to watch the boys improve so much this year and how they bonded as a team. It was fun hanging out with all the families. We had a great year. So thank you very much to everybody, and looking forward to next year.
A feeling like that, well, they say it's a lie, but I gotta tell ya,
Tanner's a competitor. He hates to lose. Worked really hard this year. Progressed his game a lot. He had some adversity the way through, but he really pulled it together, and he became that goalie that we needed down the stretch for some tough games and tough tournaments. And I admire his want to be perfect in that, but learning that it's not always going to be the case. And I thought he did a great job for us all season.
said I should be a big shot. 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 Said I should be a big shot.
Lotus